Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss the concept of organizing, an essential managerial function in the course MMPC, one on management functions and organizational processes. Organizing follows planning and focuses on implementing those plans by creating a structured framework. It involves arranging resources, both human and physical, defining roles and responsibilities, and establishing authority relationships so that coordination is achieved across the organization. In simple terms, organizing answers the question of who will do what, how, and under whose supervision, ensuring that all activities are aligned toward achieving organizational goals. Moving ahead, the concept of organizing refers to the systematic arrangement of work where tasks are clearly defined and assigned. It establishes relationships among individuals and departments, enabling smooth communication and coordination. A well-organized structure ensures that every activity contributes meaningfully to the overall objectives. The process includes key elements such as identifying all necessary activities, grouping them into departments, assigning duties based on competence, delegating authority to carry out tasks, and ensuring coordination among different units. An important part of organizing is analyzing work. This involves breaking down jobs into smaller tasks, understanding workflow sequences, and identifying the skills required for each activity. Work analysis is crucial because it improves efficiency, reduces duplication of efforts, ensures better resource utilization, and provides a basis for performance evaluation. It helps managers design jobs in a way that enhances productivity and specialization. There are different approaches to organizing work. The traditional approach emphasizes hierarchy, clear authority, and division of work, making it suitable for stable environments. The scientific management approach, introduced by F.W. Taylor, focuses on efficiency through standardization and the use of techniques like time and motion studies. The human relations approach highlights the importance of employee motivation, teamwork, and communication, recognizing that satisfied employees perform better. The systems approach views the organization as an interconnected system where all parts must work together and interact with the external environment. Finally, the contingency approach suggests that there is no one best way to organize. Instead, the structure should depend on factors such as environment, technology, and organizational size. Another critical aspect is work improvement and measurement. Organizations continuously strive to improve their processes to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Techniques such as method study, work simplification, process re-engineering, and standardization are used to identify better ways of performing tasks. Time and motion study is a scientific method that analyzes the time taken to perform tasks and the movements involved, with the objective of eliminating unnecessary efforts and improving productivity. The benefits include higher output, reduced fatigue, improved work methods, and the establishment of performance standards. Ergonomics is another important concept in organizing. It studies the relationship between workers and their work environment, focusing on comfort, safety, and efficiency. Proper ergonomic design reduces physical strain, improves productivity, and enhances employee satisfaction. Workspace ergonomics involves factors such as proper seating, adequate lighting, noise control, and efficient layout, while architectural ergonomics focuses on the overall design of the workplace, including space utilization, ventilation, and safety measures, ensuring alignment with organizational needs. In today's context, information technology has significantly impacted organizing work. IT enables automation, improves communication, supports remote work, and enhances data management. It reduces manual effort, aids in better decision-making through real-time information, increases flexibility, and facilitates global operations. However, it also brings challenges such as skill gaps, cybersecurity risks, overdependence on technology, and resistance to change among employees. To conclude, organizing is a